You know, I've been thinking about it for a while. I think it's time to shave my unibrow. George likes to be silly, and has recently found out that he likes to climb on my glasses. This time I put him there, but he has done it several times. He loves to climb on my head. It's so funny. And now he's going down my shirt. I have tails in my eye. Yeah, he's awesome. Woo! Short video. He's still there. There he goes. Say bye, Georgie. Where you going? Say bye. Bye-bye.